ready to drop into the latest Fortnite action on your Android. First things first, locate the Taptap app on your Android device. Make sure it's installed. If not, you will need to download and install Taptap from a reliable source. Open the Taptap app and familiarize yourself with the interface. It's pretty straightforward. Spot the search bar located at the top of the screen. Tap the search bar and type Fortnite. The app will begin searching for the game in its library. Be patient. The results will pop up soon. Once the game appears in the search results, you should see the Fortnite mobile game icon directly adjacent to the game icon. You should spot the update button. Tap this button to initiate the download of the update. Now you just need to sit back and watch as the update downloads. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, so it's the perfect time for a quick snack or to refresh your favorite beverage. Once the download completes and the update is installed, you will have the option to open Fortnite from the Taptap app. You can now launch your favorite mobile game right away to enjoy all the latest features and content. Enjoy the refreshed content. Remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more mobile game tips.